Editing deposits in QuickBooks Online can feel slow during cleanup, reconciliation fixes, or audit preparation. If you need to correct the deposit account, update descriptions, adjust line amounts, or fix payment details, doing it one deposit at a time can take a lot of effort, and it is easy to overlook something. In this video, I'll show you how to edit deposits in QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You export the deposits to Excel, make the changes once, and update them back into QuickBooks. I will also show a faster live edit option if you only need to fix a few deposits quickly.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, go to Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Bank Deposits from the drop-down. Next, set up your filters to pull only the deposits you want to change. Select your date type and set your date range. Choose Simple Mapping. Click Search to load the deposit records based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select the deposits you want to edit, and click Download. Choose CSV or XLSX and save the file. Open the downloaded file in Excel. Do not change the key reference columns such as deposit number and any internal identifiers. SaasAnt uses these to match the existing deposits in QuickBooks. Update only the fields you want to change, such as Deposit to Account, Date, Received From, Line Account, Line Description, Line Amount, or Memo. Save the file after you finish your edits. After making the changes, go back to SaasAnt. This time, choose Modify from the dashboard and select Bank Deposits as the transaction type. Upload the edited file. On the mapping screen, check that the columns in your file are mapped correctly to QuickBooks fields, especially the fields you just edited. When everything looks correct, click Review and then click Update QuickBooks to apply the changes to your deposits. To verify the results, you can switch back to your QuickBooks Online account or click the 𝐄𝐝𝐢𝐭 link in SaasAnt to open a few of the updated deposits. Confirm that the accounts, descriptions, amounts, and other edited changes match what you updated in Excel. If you only need to fix a few deposits quickly, you can use SaasAnt Live Edit. Then click Ready to Edit. You will see two ways to find what you want to edit. Edit by searching lets you filter and pull deposits using options like transaction type, date type, and date range. Edit by reference lets you pull specific deposits directly using deposit numbers. For this example, choose Edit by searching. Select Bank Deposits from the drop-down. Choose your date type and set the date range, then click Search. SaasAnt will load the matching deposits in a table. From here, you can click into any editable field you want to change. For example, here I am editing the line description field for this deposit. Once you are done, click Submit to push the changes back to QuickBooks Online. After the update is processed, click the 𝐄𝐝𝐢𝐭 link to open the same deposit in QuickBooks and verify the change. Now you are back in QuickBooks Online. You can see the deposit has been successfully updated. That's how you can bulk edit deposit using Excel or quickly fix a few with Live Edit without opening each entry in QuickBooks Online. Try the free trial for your next cleanup or month-end review.